Hi kids, good afternoon to all of you. So we have started with parts of speech, correct? In grammar, English grammar. That is assessment 24. Now children, what all comes in parts of speech is all the grammar part, like what is noun, what is adverb, what is verb, what is adjectives, conjunction, interjection. This all together we call as part of speech. Okay, now you already know few things, like you all know, look over here kids, look, these all are parts of speech: verb, adverb, adjective, noun, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, interjection, even noun is there. Okay, these all are called parts of speech. Now you all know what is noun, correct? Any name of a person, place, animal, thing is called noun, correct? A boy, an elephant, anything like a place name, school, hospital, Himatnagar, India. These all are nouns. Any name of a name, place, animal, thing, which we have already done before, correct? Now, what do you mean by a verb? This also we have done, correct? Verbs are nothing but action words. Whatever thing we do, we call those words as action words, correct? They are known as verbs. What are the examples of verb? To speak, run, write, dance, correct? So these are things which you already know. Verb you know, noun you know. Now adverb. What is adverb? Is something more about the verb. Whatever action we are doing now, kids, so it describes something more about it. That is called adverb. Like the girl is crying. In that sentence, if we use the word the girl is crying silently, how is the girl crying? Silently. So something more about crying it is said about the verb crying, correct? Silently she is crying, so that becomes your adverb. Whatever action is there, the boy is running fast. How is the boy running? Fast. So something more about running, so that is called adverb. Okay. And what do you mean by adjective? Adjective is something which describes something more about a noun, children. Noun means name, place, animal, thing, correct? So let's take one animal, okay? For example, elephant. Fat elephant. So how is the elephant? Fat. So if we say something more about a noun, that fat becomes your adjective. Clear, kids? Yeah. Now I give you another example. A tall boy is coming. A tall boy is coming. So boy, what is the quality given? Noun. Boy is a noun. And what is said more about the boy? The boy is tall, correct? A tall boy. So your tall will be adjective. There are more parts of speech like pronoun, preposition, conjunction, interaction, interjection, correct? Which we have already done. But in this part chapter, in assessment 24, we just have to do the exercise of, you should know which is a verb, which is a noun, which is an adverb, and which is an adjective. Okay, adverb is nothing but more about verb, action words, na, running, dancing. So dancing, what you can say? Dancing beautifully, running fast, running slow. So any verb, any action, something more about the action is called adverb. Now adjective, children, adjective is nothing but the information about noun, something more information about either a noun or a pronoun. Okay, there are different types of adjectives like car. Which car? Blue car. Rope, long rope. Person, tall person. Big house. Then we can also do, like in pronouns also, you find specification, descriptions like town, this town, that town, this week, first week, last week. These all comes in your adjective. Okay, children? Now let's start with the exercise. Here, underlined word is there which we have to say whether it is a verb, adverb, noun, what is it. She is a pretty girl. So, girl is how? Pretty. So, something about noun it is said, correct? So, what you will write? Pretty is what? Adjective. And the farmer got up early. Got up early. Who got up? Got up is what, children, first of all? It is a action word. It is a verb. So something more about verb. How he got up? In early morning he got up. So this is your adverb. What is it called? Adverb. Now, the book. Book is what, children? A thing. Correct? So it's a noun. So you just have to write over there noun. So this way we have to complete this whole exercise. All the underlined words. The cuckoo sings sweetly. Sings how? Sweetly. Sing is again a verb. So more about a verb, that becomes your adverb. So you will write the answer. You will write the answer adverb. Next is, he is a slow worker. Worker is again a noun. How is the worker? He is slow. So that is adjective. Clear to you? So try to complete this. We have already done in the classroom. Those who have not done, try to complete it. Okay then kids, we'll meet you tomorrow. Bye bye.